we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me.
Di ka pasar.
Hindi ko kapasar sa pag-video guys, pero makapasar ko ano niya ito.
Video patso, ano na?
Galaw! Alright, days friends, so we're ready guys. Na sila sa Sud sa van. Ayan. So from here guys, we will go to Mualbual. See you there guys.
I don't know how to feel about it. I hope that time will show.
Alright, days friends, so we're now here in the tourism office guys. We need to get the pass slip for Mualbual. Kuya, baka kuha pa may pass, kuya. Marami order.
Diyos, no?
Oo.
Di-cut off na lang diyos.
Wala na?
300, no? Limit sa diyos.
Dili na, wala na pwede.
Wala na, ito lang na ibuke.
So cut off na sila. You cannot get a tourism pass anymore. It's already cut off. Cut off naman daw guys, ang 4-day use.
So wala na?
Yes, I don't know.
So guys,
Baka na siya mga naglinya guys, kay mga nasa mga booking. Tanaw na to, unsa ito mga buhat. Let's go. Did you get the pass? Oh my gosh. Yay! Oo. 11. Baby, excuse me. So we're able to get a pass. Lahiro gid ni si Margaret good. Bulpin B. So, alright days friends, so we're now off to Panagsama Beach. So we're able to get a special pass. Wow. Thank you Margaret. Special ni kay cut off na ba yan sila tapos special gid kay ni siya kay by the power of our Pero guys, so by na lang kay layo ba kayo, sayang kayo ba? But anyway, sige let's go guys. Hello kuya.
kira, dai
Salamat. Guys. Alright guys friends, so we're back here in Panagsama Beach. Dako na kayo ang dagat guys. Dili pa rin sa katong first na muna pag-arin na dili pa kayo dako ang dagat. Anyway, so napaba kayo turtles. Abot ako napabay turtles.
Dis, asa ka last time diha?
Diri ra.
Ana na diha dito.
Pero abot ang karon kay na kayo, dako na kayo ang dagat. Hindi. Mag-swim ka? Turn guys.
Because without turtle,
So, nag-ready na ko guys. I forgot my sack sa Malabuyok. So, wala ko yung sack. Kuha na lang. Hindi na ako mag-sacks. May dili ko ako mag-bisters. Oh my God! Sige guys, let's go guys! Alright guys friends, we're now going to chase the sardines! Let's go guys! Let's hope for another awesome underwater shots, underwater video. So let's go!
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. Once you're pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. Once you're pandemonium. The limit of love is endless. I
So natin mi sa balay nila ni Ninyo guys, nami sa balay nila ni Ninyo kay dire mi magilis kay wala naman mi kanang kakakuanan dire. Ngani kay narasad si Ninyo. Thank you Ninyo. And andi dire ni sa akong sister nag-ilis mi ay nagkuan mi featuring the baboy. Oh, diba? Nakumot kayo. Pigi-pigi. Oh, magkuhan sa mi dire mag-wash ako sa kong kuan guys sa kong. Okay guys, so padung nami sa kuan guys, mangita mi og kananan. Kaya wala man nag-open Sir Phil. Sir Phil, ato na lang tas. Oy, by the way guys, namin kuya din mo si Sir Phil. So man siya ang katong chef na mo pagkuan. Pag may lami kayong pagkaon. Oh, sayang kayo.
Kapulingit.
Oh,
So lang, lago.
lami kayo lang pagkaon dito na Sir Phil.
Nasuya ko sa scallops.
Lami kayo dito as in. So, diri kay mangita may pagkaon diri. Actually,
So kung budget yan yung budget. Dirigin mo kaon kay barato ilang pagkaon dire and then better tasting sa.
okay. So we're here at Little Corner Restaurant. So, may lang mga menu guys. Pero ilang kuan guys. Sila mga vegetable, mga rice.
Kinilaw nga kiki.
Tapos, chicken. Inani ang mga rice diri guys. So, naragid siya sa Atbang yun sa Panagsama Beach. Mag-wait kami sa mong food while waiting and mag-picture-picture sa me. Hi guys. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Guys, wanted pangga ako nila guys, oh. Contact lang mo sa Facebook. I will put the link in the description box.
Guys, mo reply jud guys. Ay gyud magkabalaka kay online na order me.
We have here our lunch, guys. We have sinigang na pork. I think this is pork, right?
Oh, pork.
And some seafood chop suey and chicken cordon bleu. Now, wala ko sabot. It's not the chicken cordon bleu that I expected. But anyway, so let's have lunch now, guys. And I have also some milkshake. No, that's a mango shake. So let's eat this, friends.
Ang atong talk show so mga unsa.
Wait, ako na nag-record na ba?
Gago pag gimsa.
Nag-record na.
Mga kami, na after dili guys, kami ulit.
Mauli na may. So, mauto siya guys. Sayang lang kaya mo mga skip ni Ento, no? Naguna-una na pag yun to siya sa mga ibang.
Nakukipang kanang lamia ka lang answer ganiha guys by the way.
Yung
Kung
wala,
akong cameraman,
yung wala dahil na record.
Right tayo,
Cameraman,
record.
dala mo cameraman, dali be. Yung cameraman. Di ka pasar, di ka pasar.
Hindi ko kapasar sa pag-video guys pero makapasar ko ano niya yun.
Ayaw ko na.
Uli na tatoy. Sana all.
Sa mang sa din sa may istorya.
Ako na lagi ko dito.
video patso ano na.
Alright days friends, so pabalik na miss sa sakyanan guys. Manamig kaon, busog kay ko. And okay sa ilang pagkaon. So karon guys kay mag ano na ko sa kong things kay mo balik na miss sa city. So yes guys. Milk tea station here in Marili kaya nag-stop over me. Muna siya ang ilang famous dere guys na ice cream. So let's try their ice cream here. Back in the car guys and I have my buko pandan and imoha.
Manila.
Lamig kayo no? Kain kayo.
I love the ice cream. So creamy and thick.
And by the way guys, it's for only 50 pesos. So guys, i-try sa na to ang vanilla. Mas ganahan ko sa buko pandan.
Naman siya flavor ka ni plain na din siya.
Alright, guys, friends, so I think I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, guys, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is @IamDaisy and my Facebook page is Daisy. And also, guys, if you want to join my membership, just click the join button below. And I want to give a big shout out to my 2 days friends, Arjun Dor and to Daddy Michael Shannon for joining my membership. So that's all, guys. Always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creations and always seize the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!